BMW X5 10mm wheel spacers before and after.
After installing the 10mm wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tire and fender, which improves the cosmetic and stability. Most BMW X5 look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires flush to the fender. If you are trying to achieve a unique sporty appearance, consider a proper set of 10mm wheel spacers. BMW 10mm wheel spacers will add about 10mm back spacing for your wheels, whether you upgrade to larger diameter wheels or bigger performance brakes. Keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 10mm wheel spacers on each wheel, then adds a total of 20mm track width. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 10mm spacers. If you are worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality half-century wheel spacers. A half-century wheel spacer comes with a half-century lip as a transition point. For some vehicles, the protrusion may stick out the half-century lips of the spacer by a few millimeters. Then you need to change to wheel spacers with thinner half-century lips. BONOSS half-century 10mm wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century 10mm spacers, there will be no problem. The precision of BONOSS 10mm wheel spacers has reached 0.02mm. Precise 10mm wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts, 10mm wheel spacers fit the BMW X5 perfectly. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly. I personally like this outstance. If you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your BMW X5 front wheels, you can install the 10mm wheel spacers. But remember to install the same size wheel spacers on the front wheels.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.